Hi, we're gonna make a tutorial that is named My Life with Hydrocarbons. We have different objectives like the student distinguish the types of hydrocarbons. The student is able to name hydrocarbons following the UPAC rules. And the student recognizes functional groups within a structure. Let's learn about hydrocarbons in the funniest way. Yay!
The UPAC nomenclature of organic chemistry is a systematic method of naming organic chemical compounds as recommended by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Ideally, every possible organic compound should have a name from which an ambiguous structural formula can be created.
As we know, in organic chemistry, a hydrocarbon is an organic compound consisting entirely of hydrogen and carbon. A hydrocarbon from which one hydrogen atom has been removed are functional groups called hydrocarbyls. Aromatic hydrocarbons, alkenes, alkanes, and cycloalkanes, and alkene-based compounds are different types of hydrocarbons.
Well, the alkenes. Their definition of the alkenes is that they are a class of hydrocarbons in which their atoms are connected by single bonds and is saturated. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Also, the hybridization is that they have 4 S bonds, which are sp3. An example of alkenes are methane, ethane, and propane. Well, in base of the systematic nomenclature, the UPAC system, the alkenes have steps to name the compounds, and the first step is to write the alkene name of the longest chain of the carbon atoms. Then number the carbon atoms starting from the N needed as substituent, and finally give the location and name of each substituent, and an alphabetical order also, and as a prefix the name of the main chain as B, 2, 3, etc.
The alkenes. The alkenes contain one or more double bonds between carbon atoms, and they are unsaturated. The general formula is CnH2n. The hybridization is 3 S bonds, and the bonds are sp2. And 3 examples are pentene, ethene, and butene. The steps to name alkenes are: the first step is to name the longest carbon chain that contains the double or the triple bond. The second step is to number the carbon chain from the end to the nearer to the double or the triple bond. And the third step is to give the location and the name of each substituent that is in alphabetical order as a prefix to the alkene name.
The alkynes. The alkynes contain a triple bond and are unsaturated. The chemical formula of alkynes are CnH2n minus 2, and their hybridization is 2 S bonds, which is only sp. The 3 examples that I know of alkynes are ethane, propane, and butane. The steps to name the alkynes groups is: the first one, name the longest carbon chain as all of them, and that contains the double or triple bonds. Then number the carbon chain from the near to the end, the double or triple bond, and then give the location and name of each substitution, alphabetical order, and as a prefix to the alkene name.
The aromatic are compounds that contain benzene. The general formula is CnH2n-6. The hybridization is sp2, and the examples are benzene, pyridine, furan, and TNT. The steps to name an aromatic are: first, when a benzene ring is a substituent cell, it is named a benyl group. Second, when a benzene has only one substituent, the ring is not numbered. The third step is when there are two substituents, the benzene ring. It is numbered to give the lowest numbers to the substituents. The fourth step is when a common name can be used, such as toluene, phenol, or aniline. The carbon atom attached, like methyl, hydroxyl, or amine group, is numbered as carbon. And the fifth step is when there are three or more substituents attached to the benzene ring, they are numbered indirectly to give the lowest of numbers and then named alphabetically.
A hydrocarbon derivatives are molecular compounds of carbon and at least one other element that is not hydrogen.